Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to look at a protective case for this Nintendo Switch that we got. Anyway, so this is a crystal clear case that's supposed to protect the whole Switch somehow. Or at least the back of it. That's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. So let's pop this thing open and see what's inside. Bro, you don't have to hold that thing like that. All right. Okay, Marcus, you get this piece, and I will see what's in here. Comes with the little cloth for some reason. I think maybe it has a screen protector.
Oh, look at that.
What is that? The remote control? Nice. I think it has a screen protector with it also because for some reason there's wipes 1 and 2 and a dust absorber stickers. What is that?
That's for this.
Dude, this is the front. It's got the back and the front protection. Interesting. Is there both of them on each side?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, dude.
This one is just stuck.
There is a screen protector, bro. Look at it. Ooh.
That's crazy.
Look at us. We're going to wrap this baby all the way around. I didn't even know the screen protector came with it. Apparently, it's like a full skeleton here, so... Anyways, I don't even know what to start with, honestly. I guess we need to disconnect the remotes. Let's start with the remotes. So I'm guessing it just pops right in there. As you can see. There it goes. So you still have access to the little buttons here to release it, but they're a little bit harder to push because there's a plastic case in between. Okay, so it's just a protective coat, looks like, over these guys. And I think it's supposed to snap into place, actually. Yeah, it is, actually. It goes inside. I don't know if you can see, guys, it kind of like just jams into there like this. So now, actually, the buttons are not too bad to push. There's definitely a little bit less feel to it, but... Alright, so we got the case. Or the case is on the little remote part. So we're looking good here. Look at that. It actually looks pretty fancy. Looks nice. Marcus, what do you think? Looks good?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to try to attempt to put this piece of plastic on top of the screen here. So we got this #1 wipe here to get it nice and clean. And then we got #2 wipe here to, I guess, dry it up from any dirt. So that's probably the cleanest they'll ever be. So now all we got to do is remove the back here without trying to get any dust on it, and then we're just going to lay it down. This is definitely harder than it looks. There we go. And it's going on there. Alright, it laid in really good, guys. Look at that. Basically perfect. There might be another layer on top, I'm not sure. No, there's not, that's it. Wow, it actually looks good. Let's see if we can wipe it off here. Pretty cool. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this back cover on. And the cool thing about the clear stuff like this is that you can put your own stickers in here or whatever you want, and it'll be behind the behind your cover, so you can, you know, customize this pretty interestingly. So, but we're just gonna leave it stock for now. Careful of these power buttons here, volume buttons, and that's it. It's on, and it looks good. Look at that. So it just kind of went around. And all the ports are open here. See the game ports right here. Can reach it, no problem. So the headphones is right here and the power button stuff. It's a little bit harder to push, but it's possible. Not a big deal. So All right, now that we got all the pieces on, let's connect the remotes. All right, so everything is on, and Marcus is gonna give it a test run. Marcus, what do you think? How does it look? How does it feel?
Feels good. It feels a little heavy.
Feels a little heavy?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. I think it's just your imagination. Actually, maybe it does feel a little bit heavier. Interesting. Of course, you don't hold that thing much. You mostly just play it on the TV.
Yeah.
All right. Well, why don't you power it on and see if it works? Yeah, look at that. Let's see how it looks like from the... Oh, it still looks really sharp. Nice. Alright guys, so as you can see, it looks really good. It's slim, so, and still functional, obviously, like it's supposed to be, while protecting it. There seems to be a little bit more glare though in the screen to the side, like more shiny, but you know, you're gonna have that with screen protectors always. Alright guys, so everything looks great. So, but now the main thing is that can it go back into the charging tray where it lives? Let's see if it can. So it charges right here at the charging tray. Let's see, should fit technically. So yeah, it's good. It connects just fine and it fits in there. So there is just a little bit of more resistance, but it's, you know, barely any. So I'm guessing it's the thickness. Has something to do with it. So. But yeah, it works great and it looks great, and definitely a very nice accessory to protect your Switch. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. If you want to get a kit like this, it's about $10 on Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description. So I don't think you'll be disappointed. They actually have like different colors. It's actually like a chrome looking color. It actually looks really great. So, but we went ahead and went with the clear. So thinking about customizing it eventually. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our other videos. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe to see more. And we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.